Northwest Registered Agent is a service that provides business formation and compliance support, including registered agent services. Here's a guide on how to use Northwest Registered Agent. Sign up and create an account. Visit website. Go to the Northwest Registered Agent website. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button and enter your details to set up an account. Choose your services. Business formation. If you need to form a new LLC or corporation, select the appropriate service from their offerings. Complete the online form with necessary details about your business. Registered Agent Service. If you already have a business, you can sign up for Registered Agent Service to handle legal documents and compliance. Complete required information. Provide details. Enter your business name, address, and other required information. For Registered Agent Services, provide the address where you want documents sent. Review documents. Northwest will prepare the necessary formation documents or registered agent agreements. Submit and pay. Submit forms. Review the completed forms and submit them through the Northwest platform. Pay fees. Pay any applicable fees for formation services or registered agent services. Monitor and maintain. Receive notifications. Northwest will send notifications for compliance deadlines and other important updates. Manage documents. Use their online portal to access and manage your business documents and filings.